I'm being killed off by the same people that are killing and slowly torturing people all over the United States. Holley Cline, Cassie, Rema. All the evidence on my phone will lead you to the people responsible. It'll explain why I have a no-contact voltage sensor up to my eyeball going off. I'm being electrocuted and irradiated. Microwaves, radio waves, and apparently these people use hydrogen. Because I guess you can fill hydrogen up with electricity from radio waves and microwaves. And you breathe it in and swallow it, and here we are. You know how much electricity it takes to set a no-contact voltage sensor off in my eyeball? Call the FBI. Go to the FBI. Call the CIA. These are the people you need to talk to. Well, I feel better. Want to believe that?